I just got a new Lego set yesterday. It costs $100. Let me show you the details. This is an Ankylosaurus Rex. He kind of looks like a T-Rex, but he's white. And here is an Ankylosaurus. His tail actually swings. And he has spikes to protect itself. Now I'm going to show you how to put a Lego guy in a gyrosphere, which is a type of ball, but a glass ball. Let's say this man wants to ride the gyrosphere. Make him sit. Then put him in. Then put the sides on. And there you go. Now let me show you how the gyrosphere works. See, it goes straight, then a sharp curve along the tracks. Now I'm going to show you this tree. Do you know what's so cool about them? Watch. When I push these buttons, the trees fall down to the ground. And it also comes with a little gun. And that's to keep the dinosaurs calm. Now I'm going to show you the characters. Here is Owen. Here is Claire. Here is Zach. And if you see in the front there's a park worker. And then this is in the gyrosphere is gray. Yeah. So this Lego set is very cool, and it's called Ankylosaurus versus Ankylosaurus. It also has 537 pieces, and it's 8+. And when I turn this knob up, the gyrosphere rolls. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And leave a comment below. Bye.